Then I got crit. Bitch, I can't kill you, but I will.
I don't control the crit button.
Get down here, you long neck dinosaur. Hey, Waffle.
Triggerath.
What did you say?
A Pokemon's name.
I thought you said Triggerath, and I was like, are you trying to make him black? Is that blackface?
I am inherently threatened by this
miracle.
miracle.
You want me to list off the moveset right now? It's literally my Pokemon Cactus Miracle because I have nothing in the game right now.
Interesting.
What is wrong
Now
with
look what you did.
Yeah.
Again with this bullshit, nigga? What are you doing?
No, I am immune to Spore.
You broke my sturdy. Now I want
Good.
my sap zipper back.
Whatever nope, it'll come out when it
Who
comes
you're
out.
referring to.
Oh, he's probably yelling about my Pokemon.
Hey, hey! What are you doing?
Fascinating.
I can get Earthquake now!
Ow. God damn.
Had to re-break your sturdy.
I don't have a sturdy anymore.
I gotta break your sturdy.
Had to re-break.
I was trying to break that thing sturdy,
Well, now you can
but I
break
missed.
Now I have some extra sturdy.
Our knowledge of internet and vines and all this other stuff will one day make us insane in the nursing home we go to.
Oh, I'm already. One day?
Actually,
Fucking
no.
arson.
Yes, sir.
Alright. What the fuck?
Hello? Hello?
Get flinch, please get flinch.
Yeah!
Yeah! I need my prankster! You don't!
I'm gonna fucking die, I bet.
LMFAO crying emoji.
LMFAO. Party Rock is in the house
Got 'em.
tonight.
No, they can do it.
No, the base 50 Pokemon with +1. Ooh, shut up, nigga.
I'm just glad I didn't go to sleep.
I mean, there's a difference.
I mean, well, I'm going to sleep, but like the long sleep.
Hey,
Yeah.
whoa! Hey, what do you mean you crate me, bitch? Why me specifically?
You're an impotent. What are you complaining about?
Then I got crit. Bitch, I can't kill you, but I will.
I don't control the crit
Get
button.
down here, you long neck dinosaur. Hey, Waffle.
Baby Looney Tunes, I'm fine with.
There's somebody in my circle of Neanderthals that does not like Baby Looney Tunes, and I gotta find them again. That shit, that still confuses me.
Alright, now I'm gonna die.
Goodbye.
How are you gonna die?
I'll swiping for the herd.
I don't know. Probably just gonna.
You think you're gonna die?
Oh, never mind. Alright. Oh, wait.
Imagine if I
Wait.
call swipe the Furigo.
Ah. HP.
You think you're gonna die? No. I'm just being
Why
silly.
do you need my unnerve?
What? I just like being
Oh,
silly.
wait.
Oh.
Did you just boost my chilling water? I mean, that's like the only move I have that benefits.
LMFAO crying emoji. Just the-
Really?
Yeah.
Oh,
Thank you.
Yeah, I got bored. Squidward! Hey, I lived.
Squidward.
Why did I live? Wait, bitch.
Are them a special meows?
Yeah.
Yes, this name right here, officer. We are going to jump this nigga publicly. Simply having a bubble guts time. Are you Belch, by the way? 'Cause you're bubble guts? LMFAO crying emoji.
I want you to, like, you can answer that question yourself, is the
I
funny
can't.
thing.
I cannot.
Well, okay, damn, then you stupid.
Yeah.
Don't agree with me.
What the fuck
Fight
else am I
back.
supposed to do? Ow. I meant to send this out, but you know, type shit, Your Honor, type shit.
Yeah, type shit.
Hey! Hey!
What the
Stop
hell's
that.
going on
1
over there?
-1.
You don't need all that.
Yeah, there you go.
Hey, by the way, just pro tip. In Ursaring, getting burned will activate 2 of its abilities. I want you to remember that next time, because if you do it and you die because of it, I don't want to hear you complain. Cool?
No,
I was sitting there, I
goodness
saw, I was like, I
gracious.
wish I didn't switch out now. I wish I pooped instead of pee.
People want to die.
I want to get your SPDF down again, if I'm being honest.
You know, that is a very reasonable.
Yippee.
Hooray!
Hooray!
Well, what about yours?
I'm just like, you evolve into Skeletor, so like, I guess. Technically, that's true.
Okay, Kojin, don't be a fucking nerd about this.
Listen, I mean, you do evolve into a ghost.
I'm not literally
just saying.
I'm not literally this fat fuck. I don't remember what this Pokemon is called.
Crocolore.
Crocolore, thank you.
That's
Everyone
big
is
South
Everybody's
Park.
burdened now. Why me?
You won't die, it's fine.
You're the one attacking the Ninetales. I didn't feel like attacking it and then ending up somehow you crit it and then you die. Like,
I am a Meowth, my guy.
hey, bro. Hey,
I'm
bro.
Brother-
not killing this
Hey,
fucking thing
bro.
with Shadow
Hey,
Ball.
hey, bro. Listen.
Brother,
I don't
you
know.
have been here for a while.
You could crit. What are you doing? You are not a
You have,
threat
like,
to
a wheel
anybody.
fire move.
What, I burned everyone.
The fuck
Weather
else are you?
ball.
You know, white people. No.
You can't complain about white people
Oh, there it
every
is,
video.
finally.
Yes, I can. That's my legal right.
Legal. Yeah, I'm just gonna double protect
Can we
you
get
there.
much cold? What's your moveset, bruh? Are you trying to activate that damn Mary bitch?
Maybe.
Oh my god. Like, none of us can do anything significant. Well, Kojin was probably the only one. Like, none of us
Kojin
can do
was the
anything
only
significant. We're not gonna. Hold on, let me see. Yeah, like I'm burned. You want to activate a berry and then you burn. Come on now.
That was Brit. Hey, Tiny Mount.
Completely forgot about that ability.
Tiny Mount.
Big Root.
Now,
Now we're
out of
really-
all the things you could have done to be
Alright.
productive,
No,
Productive.
with the steel chair. There we go.
Yippee.
We got it. We did it. All right.
It's true. Hootie. Oh no.
oh, that's another thing that just puts me in the dirt.
Houdini.
Come on, please. Please hit me. Yippee.
Yippee!
Okay, that's less yippee, but
You wanted people to hit you. How is that less
That's-
yippee?
that's true. But I wanted to be able to use my berry
Alright,
and then,
bro.
you know,
I'm burned.
Alright. I don't give a damn what you are, bro.
Maybe you should. Crab.
Crab game.
crap gay.
You know what we do? What?
Huh?
And then I remembered you had enough ball.
Yowzers.
That didn't do anything.
Tiny amount.
What the fuck's going on, folks? What the fuck are we doing?
Ouch.
Get rid of that. Ow.
See? See? If you have waterfall and this claw gets hit and we see anger show, I'm a loser. Haha, I did.
Oh, well,
I'm dead.
depends. Alright,
Needed
that's
to-
it, I guess.
What does it depend on? This dick blind line for sport when it comes to damage counts?
See, it didn't even do half.
Oh, it just barely.
I've
It's
never
a
seen you run
Skarmory.
Skarmory.
Lol.
Think you the dick bitch. Hey! Cut that out. Now, alright, okay. Let's relax. The nigga at +2 is across from me.
Yeah, chunky chips ahoy.
The chunky chips for boys.
MB.
Oh, you are
Andy.
so done. Is it 4 again?
Yes! I swear to God.
We're all going back in the fucking box. Well,
I clicked this
Incog.
button just because I thought it would be funny. Didn't think that this situation was gonna actually happen.
Listen, it's not my fault that the Pokemon
Why
are
can't your
bad.
Pokemon kill something, man?
You're interesting.
That Terra Grass
Alright,
was doing
well-
Terra a lot.
Well, I ice punched the Decidueye. It's not killing, but I don't know if you freeze or not.
It's 10%, bro.
Probably
You're
not.
not getting it, bro.
Probably not.
Just let it go like the Gucci bag.
Yeah,
Yeah, I'm willing to let that go.
yeah that shit ain't working out.